and shut it down. People be staring while I spin you around, thinking we were so in love. Yeah, they wouldn't know we hadn't even hooked up. I'd get your number and I'd give you mine, and we'd be hanging out tomorrow